Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. Okay, so I've got Ego's latest weed eater trimmer. It's got a couple different features on it. Now it does include the power loading head, which we'll show you guys in a minute, which is awesome. But one new feature that's completely new and unique about this one is it's got an extendable handle. Okay, so Ash, if you just want to grab this green lever back here and flip it up and then stretch it out. So that helps with people who have shorter arms or shorter legs. That was one of the small complaints that I heard some people talk about when they use my equipment, is sometimes they felt it was a little too long for them. So this is addressing that square on. All right. Now Ash, what kind of weed eater do you got right now?
Right now I have a Black & Decker. It's electric. It has a rechargeable battery.
Okay.
Came in a set with a leaf blower, probably like $100.
Okay, a little 20-volt setup?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's flip this around so I can see the head here. Actually, I'm going to do that. You take the string. I'm going to let you load this guy. So just feed it in one hole and pull it out the other. So we're starting from scratch here. That's what she said. The office. All right. The only problem with this thing right here is if the end of the string is bent, it's going to get caught in the middle because there's a shaft in the middle. It kind of goes around. So you got to make sure that the string is straight. All right. So pull it out so that both are even.
It's about even.
Or grab the very ends and just stretch them out so we're a little more sure.
I'm going to do some serious editing on this video.
Okay. He wants me to edit this. All right. Now just kind of like carefully, just loosely hold this out like that, okay, and then hold the button down there.
Which button?
This one right here.
Oh. Wow.
All right, almost sucked it all the way up. Now we can take this apart, but I'll just link a video where I actually show you guys how to do that. So this is a bump head. So while it's spinning, and you tap the head on the ground, it's going to feed string out. We try not to do it when the dogs are too close. When you hear it cutting, it's just catching this cutter blade right here on the guard so that it keeps it at the proper length. All right, there we go. Now we're just going to let Ash test this out. They're new homeowners, Ash and my daughter Brittany. You know, they're owning a home for under a year now. They're really taking this stuff serious. So I want them to try some serious equipment. And I got some overgrown grass, so if you just take a minute and see what you think. Molly, come here.
Not bad.
Okay, one additional feature this one has, I forgot to mention before I gave it to him, is there's actually a speed box here, a low and a high. He was running on low, which is good if you're going through really, really heavy stuff. It powers it down, flip it to high, and it's just going to go even faster, which is good. Even faster, which is good, you know, for just, you know, your regular every week trimming and edging. Right, Lucy?
She agrees.
All right. So, you know, I don't get demo units anymore, so I went out and bought this with my own money. It is available on Lowe's.com right now. It's the only place it's available right now. Amazon hasn't picked it up yet. Ace might have it by the time you see this video. So I bought this to add this to my collection. I know these guys want to try to their house because their grass is overgrown, but we just ran out of time this weekend. It's getting late in the day.
It's not that bad.
So, I don't know. Ash, what do you think I should do with this thing? Now, I was thinking about doing like an internet giveaway, putting that on my website. What do you think about that?
That sounds like a great idea.
Yeah. I was thinking that's not a bad idea, but I got a better idea. It's yours.
What?
It's yours.
For real?
For reals.
Wow, thanks. It's super powerful. I'm very impressed with it. Wow, thank you. Very cool.
So we're gonna upgrade you from the little Black &
Wow.
Decker. This is, of course, got their 56 volts, so it's got just as much power as your gas equipment with none of the hassle. Ash, you need
Wow.
real equipment for your real yard.
Thank you so much. Wow, yeah. Ready to get to work.
Guys, thanks again. Please subscribe. Check out our website. You guys have a great day.